Hi, so volume strength of 8.5% of H2O2, right? This is a very interesting concept. Please understand first what is the volume strength. Volume strength, you can understand that of for H2O2 is the volume of O2 released from 1 ml of H2O2 solution, right? But the important point is here that what is the source of O2. So for that, let's write here one equation that 2H2O2 that undergoes self decomposition that gives 2H2O plus O2. This self decomposition of H2O2 is the source of oxygen, which has some bleaching action, that has some commercial significance, and for that its unique measurement method is this volume strength, right? So understand here some numerically also that here 2 moles, we can say that 2 mole of H2O2 gives here the 1 mole of O2. Here we can say that 68 gram is giving here the 22,400 ml of O2, or we can say in terms of equivalent that one equivalent, right, that gives here one equivalent of H2O and one equivalent of O2. So let's understand, this is one of the simplest way to understand this thing, that one equivalent of H2O2 on decomposition will give one equivalent of H2O and one equivalent of O2. So what is the meaning of one equivalent here? The one equivalent is basically 17 gram. Then you can ask how. Already you understand this one. This one is minus 1 and this one is 0. So here the change is minus 1 to 0, 1 unit, and there are the two oxygen atoms. So it's n factor 4H2O2 in this case is equal to 2. So equivalent weight is equal to its molecular weight 34 divided by 2 is equal to 17. This is the 17 gram. And here as we have this one equivalent of O2, so you take here in terms of volume, this one is 5600 ml. Equivalent weight of O2 is equal to 8 gram. Equivalent weight of O2 is equal to 8 gram, and so you can say that 32 gram is equivalent to 22,400 ml. So here the 8 gram is equivalent to certainly 5600 ml. Very clear. So now 17 gram gives here the 5600 ml. Now let's take here this one 8.5% H2O2. What we have been given, the 8.5% H2O2 given. What does it mean? It means, it implies 8.5 gram of H2O2 in 100 ml of H2O2 solution. So 8.5 gram of H2, it implies that here we have the 0.5 equivalent of H2O2, because 17 gram is one equivalent, so 8.5 gram is there in is equal to 0.5 equivalent of H2O2, and that is in 100 ml. It means when one equivalent is giving here the 5600 ml, so 0.5 equivalent of H2O2 will give 2800 ml. Clear? So we can say that 100 ml of this solution, given solution, 100 ml of this solution gives out 2800 ml of O2, then 1 ml of this solution will give how much? 2800 divided by 100 is equal to 28 ml of O2. So volume strength of H2O2 is 28. You can say this one is 28 volume. That is basically 8.5% H2O2. Thank you.